welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to uh, unlock your private number. Let's say for instance, you have been calling people and then they have been telling you that your number is on private and you don't actually know how to remove your number from private. All you just need to know is that every phone is different, and I tried it with some other phones. I was able to remove the number easily, but when I tried it with Techno Pop 8, it was quite different. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can actually remove your number from private with Pop 8. I'll be doing another video on how you can actually remove your number from private with Pop 5 Pro, Techno Pop 5 Pro. Now there are different ways, and when you check on YouTube channel, you will think maybe all the procedures are the same. No, they are not the same. They are different based on the phones. So all you need to do is that you come over to your phone and then make sure you click on the phone, and then after that you click on this side, which is the setting, and then you come over to this place that says career features, and then all you need to do is to click on the SIM. So I'm going to remove the private number from Airtel, so I'm going to click on Airtel, and then I'll click on these additional settings, and then you hover on to callers ID, click on callers ID, and then you can now either choose on network default, which I don't advise you to, or you want to hide your number, you click on hide number, or you show your number, you click on show number. So all I just need to do is to leave it on show number, and that is all. This is how you can actually unblock your or remove your number from private. If people have been complaining that you are calling them and then they have been complaining that your number is on private, it's just a simple way to actually remove your number from private. Just want to check my MTN to see if it's on private and to be able to remove it. So you can see it's on network default, and I don't want it to be on network default. I want to show my number. So click on show number, and then the updating is done. Guys, if you find this video valuable, just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you comment below and tell me the kind of phone you are using. Maybe I'll be running a tutorial on that type of phone to show you how to remove your phone number from private. Thank you.